begin to do the cross knot. So you're just gonna come up and you're gonna fold the yarn, and this is the end piece. It could be longer than this if you really wanted to, and I want you to cross on top of the front of the other one. Now this one requires you to pinch your yarn, so I want you to pick it up and pinch, and now take this other yarn strand and pull it from the back side on the other side, and now just loop it around and just put it into your finger and pinch again. So it's going to look like you got a little mini butterfly going on in your hand on the one side. So it's like butterfly wings. I want you to take the other strand that's leading down towards you, and I want you to come up through the center of that top one and stay towards where the yarns are crossing over right here. So it's coming up from the underside, and now I want you to pull and keep it towards that section here. So just don't worry about all that extra wing, and then once you get that done, just reposition your hands and repinch if you have to, and with that same strand I want you to go down through that smaller wing and just pull. And now when you go to pull, I want you to just to be nudging everything into position. It's easy to overcompensate, and you will get a square knot just like you see. So this is a cross knot. So this is what you're gonna get, and you can see it looks really quite amazing. So this is the front side of it, and then that's the back side. So this is the cross knot. Let me show you it one more time. So let's show you the cross knot one more time. So you're just gonna fold up your yarn, and this is leading to the end. It could be the same length as the other one if you were doing a different kind of project, and you're going to cross over top of the original here, and you're going to then pinch this. So just pick it up and pinch. Take that strand and bring it towards from the back side to the other side, and just fold it and just repinch it into position. So it'll look like you got a butterfly wing. Now you're going to take this other strand, and I want you to stay from the front side but stay close to this middle section, and I want you to pull, and don't pull all the way, and I want you to take that same strand and go down through the small wing, and now just gently just keep everything nice and snug. Take your time, just pull everything into position, and it should look like you got strands coming in 4 different directions to create the cross knot just like you see.